So I'm changing my channel logo. But first, let me show you how to create a free logo for your YouTube channel. But I'm only going to show you some tools that can be useful in creating your logo. Tutorials on how to use those tools correctly can be easily found on YouTube. So the first tool is Canva. It's a free graphic design software that lets you effortlessly create and edit graphics. This is for individuals who would rather use templates than create a logo from scratch. Simply type canva.com into Google and sign in using your Google account. Then, in Canva, search for logo. The next tool is Photopea. It is an advanced image editor that can work with both raster and vector graphics. It is basically a free alternative to Photoshop and is for individuals who want to create their own logo from scratch. Enter photopea.com into Google, then choose New Project and select your canvas size. After you click Create, you are free to do whatever you want. After you finish designing your logo, head to YouTube and click on your account in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on YouTube Studio. After that, click on Customization, go to Branding, and press the Change button that is beside your channel logo. Resize the square to your liking, then click Done, making sure to publish the change. Now that I've demonstrated how to create and update your channel logo, here's a time lapse of how I created mine.